How to download Gmail emails into your device. Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you some steps on how you can download your Gmail emails onto your device. So first of all, open your Gmail app and then you can see a lot of email that I have on my device, on my account, and log in on the account that you want to download the email from. Here, when you download the email, it will be downloaded in a PDF version. So let's move forward. Open one of the emails that you want to download. Let's say I want to open this Google Security Alert email. What you need to do is tap on the three dot at the top right and tap on print. After tapping on print, you can see the option save as PDF. Tap on download and then select the storage of the file where you want to save it. Let's say I want to save it on documents and tap on save. After doing that, to check if I've downloaded or not, let me just go to my file explorer, then go to documents. Since I've saved my file into documents, here you can see I've already saved my Gmail. Here you can see my Gmail that I tried to save have already been saved into my device. So in this way, you can download your mail from your Gmail into your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like it.